Make a great choice today with the 2019 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, power sunroof, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, tachometer, leather shift knob. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.